and welcome to another video. This video was a bit different from the usual stuff, but I really want to get back into making some car content. As you can see in these shots, it has been a while since our cars have been cleaned. They've been a bit neglected over the last couple of months. So this is going to be the first wash of the Mini Cooper in 8 months. Before that it had proper hand wash and was finished off with jet seal from Chemical Guys. So yeah, this is a 8-month update on the jet seal product that I placed on the car. And it's also about the same time that it took me to create new videos. I really wanted to make more, but due to personal mental health issues, so to say, I haven't been able to get to it, and I'm still getting my life back together, but it's all working out, I guess. But for now, just enjoy this 8-month update on the jet seal. I started off by just pressure washing the car, as you can see here, and it's just a normal wash. I don't have the energy yet to do a complete detail of that, and as mentioned, I really want to get back to getting the cars nice and clean and functional and operational, and get back to making car content, because it's something that I really enjoyed doing before, but I just I didn't get any energy from that anymore, and I couldn't bring myself to do it at that moment. So I also, in the meanwhile, got an extra camera. It's a DJI Action 2, which you can see some POV shots here. I mounted it on the pressure washer, so for a bit of a different angle and look. I also uploaded a video with purely the pressure washing, if you're into that stuff, as a POV ASMR for the full footage of the DJI Action 2. So feel free to check that one out. I'll link it in the corner, in the right top corner, I think. So just really getting all the dirt off. This car has been standing under the carport, fortunately. The other one also was neglected for about 8 months, but it stood on the roadside in the Mini Coupe. So on that one you could really even see the green stuff from the trees that was building up. It's really sad to see, to be honest, but I'm really just trying to get as much of the dirt off first. Every time when it rains here, or at least very heavy rains, there's also some sand and dust coming with it, especially in the warmer months. And the wrap is holding up fine around the headlight and tail light rings, and the small bar you see there with the Mini logo is still some of the plasti dip that I placed on it. I still don't know what to do with that yet, but I'm trying to make up a plan of what I want to do with the cars at this moment. So I have a bit of wrap left of the grey, and I'm thinking about ordering some black wrap for the Mini Coupe, just to redo the headlight rings, just as I did with the Cooper, because the plasti dip is tagged in some places and there's some holes in it, and I really want to make that look nice again. And I have some 3M vinyl wrap rolls, the smaller ones, they're just like tape rolls, and those are going to be for the trim, the chrome trim that's still left on the, yeah, how do you call it? It's a ring that goes all around the car with the Minis. It's the one between the windows and the body of the car. And I'm still looking at what I want to do with the front chrome. It might be easier and cheaper to replace the front rings with genuine Mini parts, but I don't know yet. So I used the Chemical Guys foam gun there with Mr. Pink, the foam spray, snow foam, and I did a quick walk around for all the creases with a soft brush to get all the grime and dirt out. And now I'm just pressure washing all the dirt off, because there was a lot of it on it, and I didn't want to put a wash mint on it right away. I want the extra step to really rinse it off. And for the manual rinse, I just used the 2-bucket method. I filled up the buckets before so that it didn't have time to dry in between. It's looking a lot better already. As you can see, for the hydrophobics it's decent, but it hasn't been cleaned properly yet. And for the windows, they have been cleaned once or twice in these 8 months, just to drive it around for safety purposes. And for that, for the window wrap on the inside, on the rear windows, I am also thinking to redo that, because some of them have some crackles in them and there's some dust behind one of them, but it hasn't been a priority yet. So this is just 2-bucket method, full hand wash with the same soap, Mr. Pink from Chemical Guys. Has this nice scent to it, and I really like it to use it. So. And for this wash, I also did the inside of the rear door and just the stills on the inside of the doors. I haven't done the interior yet. I think that's going to be a different video. And just a quick rinse again with pressure washer after the hand wash. And just clean with some fresh microfiber towels. I'm also contemplating if I should start ceramic coating, because now every time when I clean the car, I need about 5 or 6 microfiber towels to really get everything dry. And I used the leaf blower before, but as you can see here, it's quite annoying to walk around the whole car with heavier equipment. Even the pressure washer is tricky at sometimes to just not get the hose against the car, or just working around it, because I don't have a lot of space here in the driveway. But I use the blue towels for the windows. And this is just after 8 months, quick wash. This is how the jet seal held up. So for hydrophobics, the beading is significantly less, but it's to be expected. And for the sheeting, it was still decent, fine, I think. It's just some regular tap water, but it really needs a fresh coat again. It's obvious. So this was the first time that I used jet seal on one of our cars. So I'm really happy with it. It held up great, even after 8 months, so... So for the chrome, that's a different issue. As you can see there are a lot of spots on it. I don't know what they are and how to get rid of them yet. And it's also more apparent on the covers of the mirrors. So as you can see here, this one has a lot of them and the other one almost none. So that's a strange issue that I saw, and I want to take a separate look at that to really clean up the chrome again. And just some final result shots. Cars nice and shiny again, so I'm happy with that. I haven't applied a new coat of jet seal or any wax or sealant after this. Just as mentioned before, just a quick clean after 8 months, see how everything held up, and then I'm going to continue from that. Yeah, quite excited to get back into car stuff again. I just have to manage my energy and priorities, and there will be some new videos soon for you, I think. So let me know what you think about these kinds of videos, a bit more in depth. Yeah, I did a voiceover on this one. I want to be more active on camera for the next videos again, but we'll see how that goes. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my future content, and have a very nice day.